Hello everyone, it's me, Raju Vishal, student of Central Department of Physics, Thiruvan University. Today I am also going to share my experience of online education. As we are having online education continuously from 16 months, we are having several experiences in this education system. Our department have created one Zoom link which is provided to every student of our department where we take our classes every day. Some of our friends record the videos of that class, which will be helpful for the classmates who are unable to take the class directly. We have also created Google group where we will communicate with our friends. Our department have created official email ID for every students where some information regarding our classes and some extra activities which will be conducted by our teachers would be notified over there. These days we are following ebooks and internet materials mostly. Also we are following the lecture notes and videos provided by our teachers. As we are familiar that online education saves time in different aspects. However, these days I personally miss the days where we used to gather with friends and share each other experiences and ideas, which would be more beneficial in learning new things. Also, these days, I personally find myself being involved in internet most of the time. However, during this time of having online education, I am becoming more familiar with internet, email, some softwares like Word, Excel, Origin, and many more. Our subject also includes the practical lab work due to the limitation of this online education that our exams have been delayed. We could not complete our course in time. It is a bitter fact that many students in our country are not practicing the motto of Veda, that is Adhatma Shiksha, in recent days. Let us hope in the coming days the motto of Veda would be practicable for every student in our country. That's all. Thank you.